Whiteboard is a drawing app that makes planning and collaborating very easy. So in order to install Whiteboard, first of all, you need to go on to Microsoft Store. So to do that, I'm here on my Start menu, as you can see, and here you can see is my Microsoft Store. So if I were to click on this, the store opens up. So I just need to go around over here and type in Whiteboard just like this and press enter. So once I do that, you can see Microsoft Whiteboard is an option. So it's a free software that you can install. So I'm just going to click over here and then it loads up the base of Microsoft Whiteboard, as you can see right here. So now I'm simply going to go around and click on install. And then what happens is that it starts downloading the application, and depending on your internet connection speed, it'll download it out. So it is starting download. So in a while, it'll get downloaded. So now it's installing, and now you can see that the Whiteboard application has been installed, and now you can simply launch out the product. So I'm going to go around over here and click it, and there you go. There's Microsoft Whiteboard, as you can see. So it says important updates for policies. I'm just going to accept this out right here so that I can start using the software. And it says welcome to Whiteboard, and this is it. You can get started right here, and there you go. You're on the Whiteboard menu, as you can see. And that is how you can install out Whiteboard inside of Microsoft Windows by using Microsoft Store. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.